In today's video, we're gonna learn how to save streams on Twitch. If you want to save the streams that you done on your Twitch, then let me show you how you can do it. First things first, log into your Twitch account on a web browser and then click on your profile icon, which is on the top right. Once you do, a drop-down menu will open up. Click on the settings option, and from the settings page on the top, click on channel and videos and select the stream option on the left. Once you do, you just scroll down and under VOD setting and make sure that this option is toggled on. Now once you toggle this on, your previous broadcasts will be saved and it will be saved up to 14 days. To look at your streams, you just click on the content option and open up Video Producer. From here, you'll see all of your streams that you've done on your Twitch account. So that was a video on how to save streams on Twitch. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.